All right, look at this nonsense.
Oh, all the way across.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah. All right, just riding down the street. Green light. Oh, whoa.
I'm glad they made it.
All right, look at this one right here. All right, well, listen,
Insisting.
I'm getting over. It doesn't matter.
But do they know the other lane belongs to the other side?
I don't think they care. And look, don't even indicate the turn.
Goodness,
Now look at this guy right here going 1,000 miles an hour. Kill someone, why don't you?
My goodness.
Crazy. All right, look, just make a U-turn right in front of me. I mean, yeah, and then I'll go 10 miles an hour.
Yeah, I was about to say 1 mile per hour. Goodness. Oh no!
I mean, it is raining. Look, just coming over in that lane right there. Did not care. Look.
Oh wow.
It's raining. Maybe it's not raining in that lane.
Oh,
let's get across. No signal.
Oh.
3 lanes. And look, boom.
Some people really need tickets. I think, yeah.
All right, I know they're having a bad day, but you got to move the car over if you want to avoid another accident.
Goodness.
Look at that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's all right. Because we can see you.
He came, he saw, he conquered.
Look at this. Green light, green light.
I feel like he came from way far away.
Look, that's a turn only lane.
Oh,
a little bit impatient there, huh? And look at this car right here. Just almost like ran into
What is wrong with these motorcycles?
It's like, yeah, zipping in and out.
Goodness.
All right, that truck driver almost nailed that motorcycle. All right, this light's red. Still
I guess
red.
he said he waited too long.
It's still red. And then this person right here, just 30 miles an hour is the zone, and he's zipping around. And this stop sign is a suggestion, not an actual stop sign. And this poor lady, I think she was having a long day.
The eye contact was brutal.
She went to Culver's.
It did not capture everything.
That's it.
Okay.
Subscribe.